Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Orihime in Anime Vanguards. Orihime is a versatile support unit, offering both offensive and defensive utility to your team. Her unique abilities can significantly impact early game strategy and help manage challenging situations. We'll cover her damage buffs, status cleansing, and cost reduction, showing you how to integrate her effectively into your gameplay for maximum benefit. Understanding her role is key to success. Orihime's primary support comes from her hairpin ability. Upon placement, she attaches a hairpin to an ally within her range, boosting their damage by 15%. As you upgrade Orihime, she can buff more units, making strategic positioning crucial. Place her near your strongest attackers to maximize their output and clear waves more efficiently. This buff is a consistent advantage. Beyond damage, Orihime offers a valuable cost reduction. Once per match, she allows you to place any unit costing under 2,000 yen for free. This can be a huge early-game advantage. Additionally, her hairpins don't just buff, they also remove negative status effects from attached allies. This cleansing ability, with its 20-second cooldown, can save critical units from debilitating debuffs. To get the most from Orihime, deploy her early to leverage her free unit placement and initial damage buffs. She excels when paired with units that have strong base damage, amplifying their impact. Her cleansing ability is invaluable against enemies that apply frequent debuffs. While powerful early on, remember that other support units might offer greater overall scaling in very long matches.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.